Hey everyone, welcome back to Learn with Oak. Today we're going into something that stresses out so many young adults and early career professionals: how to choose the right career path. Here's the honest truth. Most of us don't actually choose our careers. We kind of fall into them. We say yes to the first decent offer, follow what our parents or friends suggest, or pick whatever feels safe at the moment. A few years later, we wake up feeling stuck, unfulfilled, or completely burnt out. If that sounds familiar, you're not alone, and this video is here to help you do it differently. So why do so many career choices go wrong? Usually it's because we're choosing for the wrong reasons. Family pressure, chasing whatever trend is hot right now, or just copying what our classmates or friends are doing. The best career isn't the one that looks the most impressive on paper. It's the one that actually fits you. In this guide, we're going to walk through a clear step-by-step framework so you can make a smarter, more confident decision. It all starts with step 1. Know yourself first. Before you scroll through any job board, you need to look inward. What energizes you? What comes naturally? What kind of environment helps you thrive? Ask yourself, what are my real strengths? What do I do better than most people around me? What topics or activities make time just disappear? And what about your personality? Are you more introverted or extroverted? Do you love details or big picture thinking? Instead of asking, what job pays well, try better questions like, what kind of work do I genuinely enjoy? Do I prefer structure or lots of flexibility? Do I like working closely with people, or do I prefer systems and independent tasks? Once you have that self-awareness, move to step 2. Identify your skills. Passion is important, but skills open real doors. Take stock of what you can actually do. Look at your technical skills, like coding, design, writing, or data analysis. Don't forget your soft skills: communication, leadership, problem solving, adaptability, and remember your transferable skills, things like project management or research that work across many industries. Step 3. Explore career options. Don't just guess. This is where a lot of people go wrong. We make assumptions about what a job is really like. Instead, research properly. Understand the day-to-day responsibilities, the exact skills required, and where the path can lead in terms of growth. Step 4. Test before you fully commit. Experience beats assumptions every time. Find low-risk ways to try things out. Take an internship, do some freelance gigs, complete online courses, or even volunteer on relevant projects. You'll quickly discover what feels right and what doesn't. Step 5. Consider the life you want. Your career should support the kind of life you actually want to live. Think about balance versus intensity. Are you okay with long hours, or do you need clear boundaries? Do you crave stability and predictable income? Or do you value flexibility and freedom? Now, let's talk about some common mistakes to avoid. Don't choose purely based on money. A high salary won't save you if you dread going to work every day. Don't blindly follow your friends' paths because what fits them might not fit you. And never ignore your natural strengths. It just makes everything harder than it needs to be. Finally, don't rush the decision. Good choices take thoughtful time. Here's the truth nobody tells you. You don't need to have your entire future figured out right now. Careers aren't chosen once and set in stone. They're built over time through real-world experience, continuous skill development, and growing self-awareness. The right career isn't random. It's the result of intentional steps, getting clear on who you are, building relevant skills, and testing things in the real world. So now it's your turn. Are you currently trying to figure out your career path? Drop a comment below. What career are you considering right now? Or what's the biggest thing that's confusing you? Let's talk it through together. If this video helped bring some clarity, please hit that like button, subscribe to Learn with Oak for more practical, no-fluff career guidance, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next one. You've got this. Take it one thoughtful step at a time, and you'll build a career that actually works for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.